Welcome students. Today's topic is very important for all IELTS takers, which is describe a risk you have taken which had a positive result. It's from the list, new speaking list actually, May to August 2020. So in this video I'll share a band 9 sample answer with you. Hope so you will like it. So let's begin with our cue card topic sample answer. In the cues, you should say what it was, why you took it, what the result was, how you felt about it. So let's start. We all take risks in our life. Sometimes we realize we are taking a risk and sometimes we don't even realize that we are taking a risk. For instance, crossing a busy road is also taking a risk and boarding a train which has started is also taking a risk. In these situations, we don't even realize that we are taking risk. Here I would like to talk about a situation when I took a risk and it had a positive result. I have a pet dog Nora whom I take for a walk in the evening every day. It's a toy breed Shih Tzu. Our neighbors have a German Shepherd Bruno which is very aggressive. Everyone in our street is afraid of that dog. Even I am very afraid of that dog. They tell all of us not to be afraid of their dog as it is well trained and would not harm any known person. But Bruno's growl is worse than corona pandemic. Bruno's growl जो होता है, जो जब डॉगी जो होते हैं घुर्राते हैं ना, तो उसको ग्रोल बोलते हैं. और कोरोना पेंडेमिक जो अभी कोरोना महामारी चल रही है तो उसको पेंडेमिक बोलते हैं, जो महामारी होती है. नॉर्मली दे कीप देयर डॉग लिस्ट ऑल द टाइम. लिस्ट मतलब बांध के रखना, बांध के रखते हैं. वन डे एज आई वॉज वॉकिंग इन द स्ट्रीट विद नोरा, ब्रूनो एस्केप्ड and came running towards us. Nora ran the other side and her leash slipped from my hand. I knew I had to act quickly to save Nora and I came between the dog and Nora. In that 1 second, I could imagine myself being bitten at several places and blood oozing out from all of them. Blood oozing out means खून बहना. It was a big risk, but at that moment, the safety of my dear Nora was the most important thing for me. When I came between Bruno and Nora, I took Bruno's name in a stern voice. Stern voice means कठोर आवाज़ में बोलना. And यानी कि कठोर आवाज़ करके. And told him to sit. Surprisingly, he sat still and started wagging its tail. My brother had come out and Nora was safe in his arms. I felt so happy that I was able to save Nora. So this was the risk I took which had a positive result. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you want to get more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. And one thing more, if you want me to share any sample answer of any particular cue card topic, you can comment below with the name of that cue card. I love to help you and will definitely make a video on your suggested topic. So thank you so much and good luck with your exams, good luck with your preparations.